English in examples. People. People. They are many people. Man. Man. He is a man. Men. Men. They are two men. Woman. Woman. The woman is cooking. Women. Woman. I see 5 women. Boy. Boy. I am a boy. Boys. Boys. The boys are playing. Girl. Girl. Emma is a girl. Girls. Girls. There are 3 girls. Child. Child. The child is crying. Children. Children. The children are at home. Pirate. Pirate. Let's talk about the pirate. Second. Second. 60 seconds is a minute. 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 60 minutes is an hour. 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 24 hours is a day. Morning. Morning. We work in the morning. Afternoon. Afternoon. Take a rest in the afternoon. Evening. Evening. Then take off in the evening. Night. Night. I sleep at night. Down. Down. Down we get up. Dusk. Dusk. It's getting dark at dusk. Day. Day. What day is today? Monday. Monday. Monday morning we start. Tuesday. Tuesday. Tuesday is after it. Wednesday. Wednesday. Wednesday comes next. Thursday. Thursday. Thursday is the 4th. Friday. Friday. Friday is Mubarak. Saturday. Saturday. Saturday is good. Sunday. Sunday. Sunday is the last. Week. Week. 7 days is a week. month, month. January is the first month. Year, year. 12 months is a year. Place, place. We need place to live. Earth, earth. You work on the earth. Sky, sky. The sky is blue. Market, market. Let's go to the market. Shop, shop. How to get to the shop? Restaurant, restaurant. Is there a restaurant? Moon, moon. I can see the moon. Sun, sun. The sun shines. Star, star. Can you count the stars? Cloud, cloud. The clouds appear. Rain, rain. Is it raining in your country? Water, water. We can't live without water. Sea, sea. I don't swim in the sea. Ocean, ocean. How many oceans are there? Field, field. We put fertilizer on the field. We put fertilizer on the field. We put fertilizer on the field. Fertilizer. Field. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. And also like the video, share it to your friend. Thank you, bye.